So then it showed up, and then I went to trade it, and it blew up as soon as I traded it. $19 loss on it. It blew up. All right, good morning, everybody. It is the 14th of January. Let me make this bigger. Looking at the Topstep dashboard here. So this account's doing okay. We're at 153,000. I need $6,000 more to pass it. Okay, here we are with the Topstep X. So I'm not sure what's happening with Topstep X. It's a little bit weird. I had not Topstep X per se, but Topstep in general. I had a 50K combine that I had traded a while ago, and I thought I had canceled it. Like I'm done with that. I'm just gonna stick with my 150K, and I guess I didn't cancel it. It was like $20 away from blowing up, and I never canceled it. I don't know. I thought I blew it out and canceled it because it was never showing up in Topstep X. When you go to Topstep X, it's a little drop-down window. You can see your accounts. And then your dashboard, you could see your accounts on the little drop-down window there. It wasn't showing up in any of that stuff, and I just happened to look in billing. Look at the sell-off taking place. I happened to look in the billing, and I don't even know why my instincts told me to check out the billing page. And I don't even know how many times I've been getting billed for a 50K. I didn't go back and look. I should go back and look. A 50K combine that wasn't showing up anywhere. It was like hidden, and I was being billed for it. So I sent Topstep a message saying, "Hey, what's the deal with this?" And they're like, "Oh, that's an account that you had your monthly subscription." And I'm like, "I thought I canceled that thing. How come it doesn't show up in my dashboard? How come it doesn't show up in Topstep X?" It's kind of fishy. So then it showed up, and then I went to trade it, and it blew up as soon as I traded it. $19 loss on it. It blew up. So I was like, why did this thing just blow up? Isn't it brand new? It looks like it's brand new. And then I saw that there was a reset for it already in the hopper. So I reset it, and it's basically been my casino account. That's why you see 3 down here. I don't know, it's really weird. So if you're trading with Topstep, go in your billing and just make sure you're not getting billed for accounts that aren't showing up in your dashboard or on your Topstep X platform. Just double check that, because I was. Make sure you're not. Anyway, so casino account trading that. I labeled the accounts down here in the bottom. So casino DCL is what I'm doing with the 50K. It's been pretty cool so far. But like I said, I'll show it to you if it actually works out. Last night was a good test, and I still made $500. So I was long last night in NQ, just DCLing all these blue lines. And then bam, money, money, money. So I don't know, this DCL strategy, so far it's been working out pretty good. I've traded it a few times now, and last night was a very difficult night. Huge sell-offs happening, and still able to turn a profit. So if this continues to work, I'll definitely show it to you all. It could be pretty interesting. So anyways, that's what you're looking at when you look at my Topstep X dashboard right now. I got my casino. I labeled them to make it easy. Got my 50K casino, my 150K casino account down here, and then my AM, NQ, and PM GC. I was going to separate these two, but I'm going to just leave them together, trade them together, because there's with my schedule coming up, there's a lot of times where I'm not going to be able to do nighttime or daytime. Like right now, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very noisy in my house, so it's kind of difficult to make content from home when it's noisy. But is what it is. All right, everybody, let's get into today's trades. We'll see what happens. Okay, got a trade setting up here in NQ. Gonna jump in short. This might be a loser, and then I'll take my recovery trade. But just gonna trade the numbers.
Order filled.
All right, so I am nervous in this trade because I feel like I have a lot working against me. We had all this consolidation through here that finally broke down. So now is it going to go back up and retest that what was once support becomes resistance before selling off? Maybe. We're coming off of news right now, so it boosted on news. Now we could just be flagging, waiting for the next leg up. Where are all the traders looking to get in and get out? Probably around my stop level up here. So there's a lot I feel like working against me on this this trade. Do we have like a little cup and handle forming right now for a breakout higher? But I'm not going to get out. I'm going to stick with the trade. I'm going to trade the numbers, trade the probabilities. Anything else would be a casino trade. And as long as I trade the numbers and get the trades in, at the end of the month, I'm okay with the return on it. So I just need to do that thing. I'd like to trade off of statistical probabilities and not emotions and what I want the market to do. So at least with this account. My casino account's a different story. I have a great time trading off of emotions. It's a lot of fun, even though I don't make any money that way. But it's definitely fun.
Order filled.
All right, so out of that trade, take that money. Yes, I would like to have gotten that extra little bit, but as long as I make 1R, I'm good. The 1.5 is bonus money, and so I'll take that. I'll take that profit. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. The account is now $154,760, so well on the way, about halfway to the target. All right, everybody, see you tomorrow.